Here we have a professional grade mixer.
Wow, great looking mixer.
Let me show you what it...
Hold on, that's not the mixer we're talking about.
Are you sure?
Sorry.
I got my lines, I got my props. I'm ready to go.
We're talking about audio mixers, like, a soundboard.
Really?
Say, why don't you come and read off the channel names? 1 is kick, 2 snare, 3 bass, 4... Stop right there. That's the rhythm section. 4 lead guitar, 6 guitar 2, 7 keys. Yep, that's the strings and the keys section. Sometimes your horns follow after that. 9 pastor, 10, 11, 13 vocals. That's right. Vocals and voices. And then after that usually follows like the CD, the iPod, the music. Auxiliary inputs, 5 and 6, iPod. Wow. Pretty simple. Yep, simple. That way when you're helping out at another location, you should just be able to jump right on and start mixing.